which expression has the same GCF, which means greatest common factor, as 15x squared minus 21x. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to write this down, and then we're going to find the greatest common factor. We don't even really have to factor, but what we do need to do is we need to find the biggest number, first of all, that divides into both 15 and 21. And if we start thinking about it, what it ends up to be is it ends up to be 3. Between x squared and x, we also have a greatest common factor. It is the lowest exponent, so it's going to be 3x. And again, we don't need to do the rest of that. But as we take a look at our answers over here, between 12 and 15, the biggest number that divides into both 12 and 15 is 3. Between x squared and x, it's the lowest exponent, which is x. And it looks like that I might have gotten lucky here. I just do want to try one more here. I'll do the next one. Between 12 and 18, the biggest number that divides into both 12 and 18 is 6. So it's definitely not that one. It would be 6x for our greatest common factor. And between 15 and 21, well, the biggest number that divides into both 15 and 21 is 3. I'm sorry, I had to pause the video for a minute. So if we look at the 15x squared minus 21, the biggest number that divides into both 15 and 21 is 3. There is no common factor of an x because 15 has an x squared in it, but 21 does not. And our last value, the biggest number that divides into both 18 and 24 is 6. Between x squared and x, it's x. So again, here, the first choice, even though I'm not going to pull up the iPad, it turned off for me for right now, but this first choice is the answer to our problem.